see, that's another thing.
Tore up, but we didn't see anything else.
Yeah. I mean, they come back and your campsite's tore up, torn to pieces and what have you, and they seem like they're still fairly calm. It just kind of all adds up. You come up there in a panic like that. He was able to call some guys that, they've been talking about this already, and bam, they were all come together quickly. I mean, these guys had to live fairly close to be pulling something together in 5 minutes and be leaving with a posse. And campsites tore up, man. So you ended up going back and getting your stuff later, correct?
No, I had my rifle. I left my backpack with, some little bit of food. I left it.
You never did go back and get it?
Pardon?
I mean, you went back another day and got it, though, right?